Hi guys, it's Mustafa from GVE. Apologies if you can't hear me, as you know, quarantine. But we have a G63 behind us, full stealth PPF, a very good friend of mine. He picked it up just before lockdown, so he hasn't had the chance to drive it. But I said as soon as we're back open, get the full car protected, so any stone chips or anything like that be covered from, as the paintwork is very expensive. So it's here right now. Thank you, Mark.
What's happening here now? How's it gone?
Jarrett is doing the special touch. What are you doing to it, Jarrett?
So I've just finished doing the leather inside. I've done the leather clean and the coating, and now I'm just working on the outside of the car, cleaning the PPF so it'll be ready for halo coating. And for the glass, we're going to be polishing the glass before applying the gloss coating. And once that's finished, then we apply the coating and then take it off with the residue remover. So yeah, should be good.
Yeah, just going to take it to unit 15 now, the other side. The car is all done. We're going to put it on the trailer and then head off to the customer. Where is Janosch? It's like GTA. Where is he?
Just comment on the weather.
Yeah, it really put a down on things, but I'm sure it's not going to dampen the spirits of the guy once he sees it. Because I think, again, you can't really tell the difference, but when you're up close and personal, you can. It's a massive step forward from what it was before. And well, we've made it better than how it looked when it was from the showroom. So I'm excited to see what he thinks.
So what are you going to do now? You guys are just heading?
Yeah, gonna head out. He lives in North London, so about, I don't know, 45 minutes, an hour. See what he thinks, and then hopefully I'll get a picture with him. And then just post it on social media, see what you guys think. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and see you soon.